In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use data import in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring offline or supplemental data into your property so your reports are richer and more actionable. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct GA4 property. It helps to have the right permissions, ideally editor access, so you can create and manage imports without issues. Next, head to the admin area by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. Here, you'll see settings that control how your property behaves. Open Data Collection to quickly confirm that your measurement and signal settings are in good shape, then proceed to Data Import. This is where you'll connect external data to the events and dimensions already flowing into GA4. Click Create Data Source to start a new import. Give your data source a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates will recognize it later. Think along the lines of Q3 cost data or product catalog enrichment. A good name prevents confusion as your list of sources grows. Now choose your data type. Common options include cost data, item data, and event data. Pick the type that matches what you're enriching. For example, use cost data to add campaign spend to your acquisition reports, or item data to enrich product details in e-commerce reporting. Select your import source. For one-time or occasional updates, manual file upload is simple and reliable. If you need recurring imports, consider a scheduled option if it's available to you. Either way, the process is similar. Click Upload. CSV and select your prepared file. Be sure your CSV follows the required schema for the data type you chose. The header names must match GA4's expected fields, and you need key identifiers like campaign, source/medium, item ID, or event name, so GA4 can align your rows with the right data. If you're unsure, look for the sample or template linked in the setup screen. Aligning to that format will save time. Click Next to review and map your fields. This is where you confirm that each column in your CSV points to the correct GA4 field. Double-check required fields and scan for typos or extra spaces in headers. If something doesn't line up, fix the mapping here to avoid errors later. Once everything looks correct, click Import. Your file will process and the status will update in the data import list. Depending on size, it may take a bit. When complete, your imported data will begin enriching your reports going forward based on the data type's behavior. And that's it. Your GA4 property now has smarter context to power better insights.